So today what I'm going to make with you is a Thai style fish cake. I've got some white fish and some wonderful Asian ingredients, a Thai paste, fish sauce, coconut sugar and a kaffir lime leaf, and the all-important watercress, wonderful superfood we're going to include in these. So the first thing you have to do is you have to get your fish all blitzed up. So I've chopped it up and I've taken out any bones and any skin. You can buy it like that. Pop that in. And then what makes a Thai fish cake bouncy is giving it time to whiz around in the food processor so that those proteins start to adhere to each other. So you blitz that up and you literally put in your other ingredients. And you blitz them up again. Just going to scrape down the sides. Wow, you can smell that smell of Thailand in there. And then we're going to put in your superfood, your watercress. And then you want to blitz this till it goes into a ball. Scrape down the sides. So it's beginning to whiz around there in a ball. You can see it, it goes bouncy. You can feel it here. It's got a bounciness to it. What I'm going to do now is mold that into shapes. Now I like to use about 30 grams for the bite size. And you literally roll them between your hands and tap them out. And then if I'm going to do a burger, I like to do about 125 grams, so a bigger one. They take a bit more patting. You just repeat this until they're all done. So here we go, last one. And then all you have to do now is cook them. And you can either cook them ahead and reheat them in a low oven, or you can freeze them like this and cook them another day. So now all I'm going to do is fry them. A little bit of oil in the pan. Wait a minute, get your pan a bit warm. Put them in, start at 12 o'clock. So here they are, cooked on both sides. I'm just going to plate them up. They're so versatile. You can have them just as little bites like this, or you can make a dipping sauce, or you can have them on a bowl of rice, like a Buddha bowl, or you can have them as a burger in a brioche. Anyway, they're fantastic, and they've got that wonderful superfood, watercress, stuffed inside them, adding to their extra flavour. So here they are, delicious Thai-style watercress fish cakes.